I told him, try it. Try that tomorrow and try and take away my rights as a Kenyan. And I'll tell you what will happen. I'm going to fight for my rights as a Kenyan. I'm not a Somali. So you want to deal with the folks up there? Kwenda pigana na hawa. You man, balls, you have the balls. Go and do what you have to do with them because they are there. It's not that they are hiding in Nairobi here in my house. Let me just finish.
Okay, briefly, because...
And that is a problem. That is a problem. There's already a fear within the Somali community that this can be turned against them as a community here. And that will be the worst disaster that will happen in this country. There will be no Kenya after that, I assure you. You know why? Because these people are living in their own country. They are here in Kenya. They're here by right, the same right that you enjoy yourself. Not any less.
Okay.
As for Somalia, we already have our forces in there. It's a separate government. You are the ones who are running the Minister of Foreign Affairs and the presidents and the rest of them. How you deal with it is what Kenyans are going to see it. And we have no problem with that.
Okay.
We've never told you not to deal with them in any way, other than, basically that you can't trample on our rights because we have an ethnicity affinity with them. It's a problem.
Okay.
So that is the point.